Okay, so thank you very much for the sweet birthday present. This Amana countersink bit really works well. So I'll show you what I'm doing with it. This project anyway. This is a cart that I'm making for my toolbox. So I need to screw this in. And so I just wanted to demonstrate what this bit does. So it drills the perfect countersink every time. It doesn't mar the wood at all. Nice, very nice. All right, I feel like a pro. So that's the deal. Okay. So, there you go. The perfect miters. Sorry, the perfect countersinks. Yeah. Yes. Make me look like I know what I'm doing or something. All right. Thanks again, Ed. It's great. I'll show you the finished thing when it's done. Okay, so, yeah, I've done my little project. So, this is what I used so this is it's going to be a little cart for my toolbox. So I can take it on the road and roll it around. It's got these like super duper caster wheels. These are really expensive, but they are so smooth. They just glide. They're amazing. So I made the cart, and so that's the screws that I put that I countersunk. They're all full of paint now, so you can't really see in my beautiful work and all that, but you know, not much to show off there. But that's what I made, and it enabled me to have these sides very strong without seeing the screws. So here's how it works. This is the toolbox here. This tough built little box, and I really like it because it's small and compact, doesn't take up a lot of room. So this fits right in here. There. Oh yeah, baby. What? Oh, yes. All right, stand back. Check it out. And put the other one on top. Clicks into place, and I am rolling. I am rolling mobile Mr. Fix-It with a kind of nice looking little base for my toolbox. And all I have to do is just go along suitcase kind of thing, let the toolbox do the rolling for me. Yeah, man. So cool. Excellent. Thank you. And good night. And one other thing, the wheels glow in the dark, so I'm never gonna get lost. That's right. They glow.